Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saint-Bruno-De-Montarville local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a dependable and cheap Saint-Bruno-De-Montarville moving company, 3 Movers is the right option. We offer the services you need for your local and long-distance move. We offer the right long-distance moving options to help make it simple for you, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options you can choose when you book your move with us. We offer long-distance moving options to help make it easier for you. Relocating is hard, but it becomes easier with us. You get the right moving help for your local move from a Canada moving company. The right team will make it simple to move, whether you're going up the road or to the next city over. Plus, you won't have to worry about all that heavy lifting. 3 Movers gives you the right options for your local move. We streamline everything to make it easier to move and to do it faster. When you move with us, you will get to your new location faster and more efficiently. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Bruno-De-Montarville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.